Hi everyone, welcome to my channel Noila Creations. Today I'm sharing the recipe of Scotch eggs. In a mixer jar, add 3 cut green chilies, 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric powder, 10 cloves of garlic, 1 small piece of ginger chopped, half onion finely chopped, 1 tablespoon of vinegar, 1 teaspoon of salt, 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste, 1 teaspoon of sugar, grind into a fine paste. Wash and chop 500 grams of beef, mince it. I am adding little salt here since I added salt already in the masala. Add 2 tablespoons of the ground masala, handful of fresh coriander leaves chopped and washed, 2 teaspoons of tomato sauce, mix well, add half teaspoon of turmeric powder, mix, add 1 teaspoon of green masala. The link of the recipe of green masala is in the description. Add 2 teaspoons of ground masala, mix well. Add half tablespoon of vinegar, mix. Let it rest for 10 minutes. Boil 6 eggs. After removing the shells, wipe the eggs. Coat the eggs with all-purpose flour. Remove the excess flour. Divide the meat mixture into 6 portions. Take one portion in your palm and flatten it. Place the boiled egg in the center. Cover the full egg with the meat mixture. Ensure that there are no cracks on it. Follow the same steps to make rest of the Scotch eggs. Coat the Scotch eggs with all-purpose flour. In a bowl, add 1 egg, a pinch of salt and beat it. Coat the Scotch egg with the egg mixture. Then coat it with breadcrumbs. Follow the same steps to coat the rest of the Scotch eggs. Heat oil in a pan. Deep fry the Scotch eggs on low flame. Do not overcrowd the pan. Once the Scotch eggs are cooked on one side, flip the Scotch eggs to fry the other side also. Deep fry the Scotch eggs until the meat inside is cooked. Switch off the flame after frying the Scotch eggs. Scotch eggs are now ready. If you like my videos, click on the like button. Subscribe to my channel and click on the bell icon to get notified the moment I upload a new video so that you don't miss any of my videos. Thanks for watching.